Ancient Egypt, a land of early civilization and geographical marvels. For centuries, it has captivated the world's imagination, a testament to a civilization that thrived for over 3,000 years. From the towering pyramids to the intricate hieroglyphs, Egypt's achievements in art, architecture, and writing are unparalleled. Powerful pharaohs ruled as gods on earth. We will delve into the lives of iconic figures like Tutankhamun and Ramses II, the warrior pharaoh, under whom the empire reached its height. Uncover the grandeur of ancient Egyptian culture, from their intricate religious beliefs and advanced knowledge to their astronomy and engineering. Explore the magnificent temples and tombs, and discover how the Nile River shaped their destiny. Join us on an unforgettable journey through time, exploring the rise and fall of ancient Egypt and its lasting cultural legacy. The pyramids of Giza stand as enduring symbols of ancient Egyptian civilization, their colossal forms dominating the desert landscape. Constructed as elaborate tombs for the pharaohs, these architectural marvels reflect the Egyptians' belief in the afterlife. The construction required immense manpower, skilled engineering, and unwavering dedication. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, is the oldest and largest of the three main pyramids. They stand as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of a civilization. Tutankhamun, the boy king who ascended to the throne at the tender age of 9, ruled for a brief period during a tumultuous time in Egyptian history. Despite his short reign, he has become one of the most famous pharaohs, thanks to the astonishing discovery of his nearly intact tomb in 1922. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb by Howard Carter captivated the world, revealing a treasure trove of gold, jewels, and priceless artifacts. The boy king's burial chamber contained his mummified remains, enclosed within a series of gilded coffins, culminating in the iconic golden death mask that has become synonymous with his name. The opulence of Tutankhamun's tomb provides a glimpse into the wealth and splendor of the New Kingdom period. The artifacts buried with him, including chariots, weapons, furniture, and even board games, offer insights into the daily life and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Tutankhamun's reign may have been short-lived, but his legacy continues to fascinate and inspire. His tomb remains one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of all time, a testament to the enduring allure of ancient Egypt. Ramses II, often regarded as the greatest pharaoh of ancient Egypt, left an indelible mark on history through his military prowess, monumental building projects, and enduring legacy. His reign, spanning over 6 decades, was a golden age for Egypt, marked by territorial expansion, economic prosperity, and cultural flourishing. Ramses II was a formidable warrior king, leading his armies to victory against the Hittites, Nubians, and other enemies. His military campaigns extended Egypt's empire to its greatest geographical extent, securing its borders and establishing his dominance in the region. A prolific builder, Ramses II commissioned numerous temples, monuments, and cities throughout Egypt. The Ramesseum, his mortuary temple in Thebes, stands as a testament to his grandeur, while the temples of Abu Simbel, carved into the cliffs of Nubia, are a testament to his power and ambition. Ramses II's reign marked the pinnacle of ancient Egyptian civilization. His legacy as a warrior pharaoh, a builder of extraordinary monuments, and a ruler who shaped the destiny of Egypt continues to resonate throughout history. Section 5. Cleopatra, the last pharaoh's reign. Cleopatra, the 7th Philopater, the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, was a woman of extraordinary intelligence and political acumen. Her reign marked the final chapter of ancient Egyptian history, a time of internal strife and the rising power of Rome. To secure her position, she formed alliances with Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. After Antony's defeat at the Battle of Actium, Cleopatra's fate was sealed. Her reign marked the end of an era, as Egypt fell under Roman rule. Section 6. Egyptian religion, a tapestry of gods and mortals. Religion permeated every aspect of ancient Egyptian life. They believed in a pantheon of gods and goddesses. Achieving eternal life required navigating the underworld and facing judgment before Osiris. Elaborate burial rituals and mummification preserved the body for the next world. Pharaohs were divine rulers, intermediaries between gods and people. Temples served as centers of worship and pilgrimage. Their mythology, with its colorful deities and epic battles, continues to captivate us today. Chapter 7. Architectural Marvels. Temples, Tombs, and Cities. The architectural achievements of ancient Egypt are a testament to their advanced engineering, artistic prowess, and innovative spirit. From the monumental pyramids to the grand temples and intricately designed tombs, these structures continue to captivate and inspire. Temples, dedicated to various deities, served not only as places of worship, but also as hubs of economic and social activity. The Temple of Karnak, an extensive complex of temples, chapels, and monuments, exemplifies Egyptian architectural grandeur and reflects the evolution of religious beliefs and architectural styles over centuries. Tombs, meticulously designed to house the deceased for eternity, were adorned with elaborate scenes from Egyptian mythology, providing insights into their beliefs about the afterlife. The Valley of the Kings, the final resting place of many pharaohs, including Tutankhamun, underscores the Egyptians' profound focus on death and the afterlife. Ancient Egyptian cities, such as Thebes and Memphis, were vibrant centers of trade, commerce, and culture. Although few remnants of these cities exist today, archaeological findings reveal sophisticated urban planning and infrastructure that supported a flourishing civilization. Section 8. The Nile's Embrace. Lifeblood of a civilization. The Nile River, flowing like a silver serpent through the heart of the desert, was the lifeblood of ancient Egyptian civilization. Its annual floods deposited fertile silt along its banks, transforming the arid landscape into a lush green paradise. The Egyptians depended on the Nile for their very survival. Its waters irrigated their crops, providing sustenance for their people and livestock. The river's bounty allowed them to develop a sophisticated agricultural system that supported a large and prosperous population. The Nile also served as a vital transportation route, connecting distant parts of the empire and facilitating trade and communication. Boats of all sizes, from small fishing vessels to large cargo ships, plied its waters, transporting goods, people, and ideas. The Egyptians' relationship with the Nile was one of reverence and dependence. They celebrated its annual floods with festivals and offerings, recognizing its life-giving power and the crucial role it played in their lives. I'm sure you've heard the news. Section 9. The Decline of a Dynasty, Internal Strife, and External Threats. After centuries of dominance, the once mighty Egyptian empire began to decline, weakened by a combination of internal conflicts and external invasions. A series of weak rulers, economic instability, and political fragmentation eroded the central authority of the pharaohs. Internal power struggles, coupled with ambitious governors vying for control, weakened the empire from within. Frequent rebellions and uprisings further destabilized the kingdom, draining its resources and diverting attention from external threats. External enemies, sensing weakness, seized the opportunity to encroach on Egyptian territory. The Assyrians, a formidable force from the north, launched devastating attacks on Egypt's cities and trade routes, disrupting commerce and spreading fear throughout the land. The Persians followed, further weakening the empire's hold. The Romans, in their turn, marked the final blow, leading to the eventual collapse of the empire. The cumulative effect of these internal and external pressures proved too much for the weakened empire to withstand. The once mighty Egypt, weakened from within and besieged from without, gradually succumbed to its enemies, marking the end of an era. Section 10. Legacy of the Pharaohs, Echoes in the Sands of Time. Though the ancient Egyptian civilization eventually faded into history, its legacy continues to resonate throughout the world, influencing art, architecture, language, and thought. The Egyptians' contributions to human civilization are vast and enduring, touching upon every aspect of our lives. Their architectural marvels, from the pyramids of Giza to the temples of Karnak, inspire awe and wonder to this day, standing as testaments to their ingenuity and artistic vision. Their intricate hieroglyphs, deciphered by Champollion in the 19th century, unlocked the secrets of their language, and provided invaluable insights into their culture, beliefs, and history. The Egyptians' advancements in mathematics, astronomy, and medicine laid the groundwork for future scientific discoveries. Their calendar, based on their observations of the celestial bodies, was remarkably accurate and influenced the development of calendars in other cultures. Ancient Egypt's legacy extends beyond its tangible achievements. Their mythology, with its colorful deities and moral lessons, continues to captivate our imaginations, while their art and literature provide timeless insights into the human condition. Section 11. Conclusion: the enduring allure of ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt, a civilization that thrived for over 3,000 years, continues to fascinate and intrigue us today. From the towering pyramids to the intricate hieroglyphs, from the powerful pharaohs to the everyday lives of its people, Egypt beckons us to unravel its mysteries and explore its enduring legacy. We have journeyed through time, witnessing the rise of a mighty empire, the reigns of iconic pharaohs, and the brilliance of a culture that left an indelible mark on human civilization. We have marveled at their architectural wonders, explored their religious beliefs, and discovered how the life-giving Nile River shaped their destiny. As we conclude our exploration of ancient Egypt, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the achievements of this remarkable civilization. Their legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us of the power of human ingenuity, the importance of cultural heritage, and the enduring allure of the past.
Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content.